What is up, guys? It's Dave with Pete and Pedro, and I know what you're thinking. Dave, your hair does not look bueno. And you're not wrong. But I wanted to jump on and do a very quick video about my new favorite styling aid, texture powder. And I figured instead of just talking about it, I might as well show you guys. So as you guys can see, my hair is looking pretty terrible. This is what my hair looks like when I get out of the shower. You can see no volume, no texture. It's kind of just laying there, kind of dead and lifeless. So yeah, we're gonna fix that with this bad boy right here. First things first, what is a texture powder? You may have never heard of this product before, but barbers have been using it for a super long time. It gives incredible volume, incredible texture, and a medium hold matte finish that makes it look like you haven't used any product at all. So how I use this product, I just let my hair naturally air dry when I get out of the shower. Go ahead and sprinkle it directly on your hair. Don't put it in your hands or else it's gonna be kind of hard to distribute. And then once you get it on there, all I do is just kind of take my hand like that and just rub it through. And you guys can see already, we're just getting like incredible volume, incredible texture. That's it. But like literally insane how fast it is to do your hair. So I'm gonna get in here nice and tight so you can see, because you might be a little bit worried about putting a powder in your hair, but you can see it blends effortlessly. It doesn't look like I have powder in my hair. It doesn't really look like I have anything in my hair, which is why I love it so much. You can see the volume is crazy, the texture on point, the hold is great, exactly the medium hold that I need. And here's another great thing about the texture powder. You can literally restyle this at will, right? So if you're anything like me, your hair looks great when you leave the house, and then throughout the day, it all just kind of goes downhill. You find a way to mess your hair up. Either you're in traffic and you play with it for a little bit, or you want to switch your style up, just kind of rock a hat for a little bit, or maybe it's a little windy or rainy and you want to toss your hood up for a little bit, or maybe it's a little cold and you want to rock a beanie for a while. Either way, your hair is totally destroyed. Let's honestly give this a couple seconds here. I'm gonna let this hat sit for a couple minutes to really get that hat hair effect.
A few moments later.
Okay, we've been rocking the hat for about 10 minutes now. I'll take a look, and yeah, disaster. In most situations, this is kind of like a game over on your hairstyle for the day, but not with texture powder. All you gotta do is literally go back in, run your hands through it, give it a little extra volume. This is no extra product. This is just the product that we put in the first time. And literally in seconds, bam, your hair's back. So yeah, I'm gonna get in here nice and tight one more time just so you guys can see we didn't lose any of that volume. We didn't lose any of the texture. We didn't lose any of the hold. That's after the hat, the hoodie, the beanie literally just went back in. Little hand style to give it back some life, and we are good to go. PMP texture powder, this is my new favorite product. I absolutely love it. Super easy, super effective. If you guys haven't checked it out, I highly recommend. Give it a shot, see what it does for your hair. You're gonna be amazed. And I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.